In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a job in QuickBooks. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or simply looking to refine your skills, this guide is designed to help you seamlessly add and manage jobs, ensuring your records stay organized and up to date. Let's jump right in by opening up QuickBooks Online in your web browser. Once you have QuickBooks open, navigate over to the Customers and Leads section. This is a crucial area where you manage all your customer details, including the jobs linked to them. Clicking on this section will pull up the list of your current customers. From here, you'll want to head to the Customers tab. This tab gives you access to detailed profiles where the bulk of your management tasks will take place. Scroll through your list of customers until you find the specific profile of the customer for whom you're adding a job. When you've found it, go ahead and click on their profile to open it. Once the profile is loaded, look for the Edit button and click on that as well. This will allow you to make any necessary changes and add in details related to new jobs and other customer interactions. Inside the customer's profile, you'll find an option labeled "Is a Sub-Customer." By checking this box, you're indicating that you're about to add a job as a subsection or part of your main customer's profile. This feature helps categorize jobs for better organization. After selecting "Is a Sub-Customer," you'll notice an option to add a parent customer. Click here and choose the primary customer account under which this job will fall. This step ensures that all job-related activities are neatly organized and easily retrievable when you or your team need them. Next, locate the company name field and type in the position or job title you need to add. This label is essential. It will help you track and reference the job efficiently, especially when you're dealing with multiple jobs for a single customer. Finally, once you've entered all the required details and double-checked for accuracy, hit the Save button. This final action will store all your new job information in QuickBooks, making them readily available whenever you need to access them. And there you have it. In just a few straightforward steps, you've successfully added a job to a customer's profile in QuickBooks. This uncomplicated process not only streamlines your workflow, but also enhances your ability to manage your business more effectively. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and tricks.